Hello, my lovely girls. How are you doing? That's Miss Nani, and this is the revision for the test. So, my lovely girls, the first question, first of all, before starting first question, I want to tell you that I love you so much, and I want you to study math very well. When you love math, math will love you. Okay, so our lessons are about rounding, fractions, and there are so easy things. And please go through the videos, go through the course material. If you didn't do the project, please do it after the test. Okay, next week I will wait for your work. So the first problem here, what is he telling me? What does each of the green strip refer to? So I'm going to count. So all of you count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 1 out of 10. Okay, let's continue. Question number 2. Round 128 to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10, my lovely girls. What are we going to do? So the first thing that we are going to look at, the ones digit. The ones digit. What's my ones digit? It's 8. So 8 is a weak number or strong number? No, 8 is a strong number. So 8 is going to give the 2 a push. So 2 will be 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Equals 3. So the 8 will go back home and bring back 0. So my answer is 130. Excellent. Let's complete. The next question here I have. What does this, just a second. I'm sorry. So sorry. So what does this picture give me? How many holes I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many colored parts? How many colored parts? Let's count together. How many colored parts? 1, 2, 3. So my answer here is 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, so here I have this circle, What do I have here? I have what's my denominator? Denominator is, let's write it together. What's my denominator? My denominator is the number in the down number, denominator. Okay, so, and it's also equal to the whole parts. All parts. So how many parts I have here? I have 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 parts. So my denominator is 5. What do I have in my numerator? Numerator is number of colored parts. In this equation, numerator is number of colored parts. Okay. So my lovely girls, how many colored parts I have? Here I have 1. How many all in all is 5. So the answer here, my lovely girls, is what? Is 1 out of 5. 1 out of 5. And here I have 2 out of 4. Let's see, denominator is number of in the down. How many how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4. How many colored numbers? I have 2. So it is 2 out of 4. So it is true. Yes, the answer is true. The second question, round 39 to the nearest tens. Round 39 to the nearest tens. Okay, I'm going to round it. So if I have here 39, I will go look, I want to round it to the nearest tens, so I have to look at the ones digit. What's my ones digit here? My ones digit is 9. 9 is strong number. 9, the ones digit equals 9. 9 is strong number. So it will give us what? It will give us 1. So it will give the 3, the 10th digit 1. So 3 plus 1 equal 4. So the answer here will be 4. And the 9 will go back home and bring back 0. So my answer is 40. Let's complete here. The pink part represents what? It's only 1 out of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 1 out of 5. Rounding 500 to the nearest 10 equals 500? Yes, because 0, when I want to round to the nearest 10, I will look at the ones digit. The ones digit is 0, 0 is very weak number, cannot give me anything. So the 0 stays as it is, and the 5 also stays as it is, because we are rounding to the tens, not the hundreds. Estimate 255 plus 329. Estimate 255 plus 329. So what does he want me to do? He wants me to round. Let's go. 255, we will look at the tens digit. What is this? This is 5. So 5 is weak or strong? It's strong number, so it will give the 2 a push. We'll give her 1. So the new number here is 3, and 55 will go back home, bring back 0. Excellent. So 255 will be 300. What about 329? 329 will be what? I will look at them tens or units. I will look at the tens digit. The tens digit is 2. 2 is weak or strong? It's weak. Cannot give me anything. So the 3 will stay as it is, will be 3, and the 2 will go back home, bring back 0. The 9 will go back home, bring back 0. So it will be 300. So 300 plus 300 is 600. Excellent, girl. Let's complete. Oh, this is a very good problem, word problem. He is telling me here, Emma works at a dinner, and before we start, I told you, any word problem, we have to do what? We have to extract the numbers from the word problem. So Emma works at a diner on Monday. She served 7 tables with 6 people. So the first information that I know, that on Monday, she served 7 tables with 6 people. At each table, on Tuesday, she served 72. She wants to know how many more people. Take care of how many more. I told you how many more, we do minus. How many more, we do minus. Choose the correct operations to represent this problem using equations. Write each operation on the blank. So the first, okay, my lovely girls, let's complete here. So I was telling you that I have Emma works at a diner on Monday. She served 7 tables with 6 people. So if we draw here the 7 tables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tables, and we have 6 people in sitting at each table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here 6, 6, 6, 6. So to get the whole number, we use we use multiplication. So the first one is multiplication. Then after I multiply 7 multiply 6, I get 42. So she served on Tuesday 72. So to get how many more, I said when I see how many more, I do minus. When I see how many more, I do minus. So it will be 72 minus 42. So the answer is multiplication and subtraction, not multiplication and division. Let's complete our lovely girls. Okay, so just we are going to read this. Okay. Taylor has 127 trading cards in his collection. So the first information is that Taylor has 127 trading cards in his collection. Chloe has 63 cards in her collection. Then Chloe gives her collection away. So Taylor has 127. Chloe gave her collection away. She divides it equally among Taylor and 8 other friends. So Taylor and 8 other friends will be Taylor, which is 1 plus 8 equal 9. So she divides it equally among Taylor and 8 friends. How many cards does Taylor have now? So the answer will be, my lovely girls, 127. Okay, plus the cards that he will take from Chloe. So how many cards he will take from Chloe? He will take from Chloe 63 multiply 63 divide the 9 persons. Okay, so she has 63 cards. She will divide them into 9 people. So that's why I will take 63, divide them into 9 people. So it will be 127 plus what? 127. 63 divided 9 is 7. So 127 plus 7 is 134. The answer is 134. Excellent, my lovely girls. Let's complete here. He's telling me this is very easy. Maurice needs 36 apples. So we will go see how many apples Maurice needs. He needs 36 apples. For his party, how much will the apples cost? Write equations to solve. Use letter to represent the unknown quantity. So how many does he want? We will write first the 36. So first you are going to write what? The 36. So let's go write it. Here, 36 apples. That's what I want. How many is the apples? 9 apples per bag is $3. 9 apples per bag is $3. So I need to know how many bags I want. So I will take the 36 divided by the number of apples in each bag. You remember when we draw it in the session? Here I have, in each bag, I have 9 apples. In each bag, I have 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so each bag has 9 apples, but I want 36. So I will divide 36 divided by 9 to get how many bags I want. So 36 divided by 9 equals what? Think, 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 think. 4. Excellent. So 36 divided by 9 equals 4. So how many bags I need? I need 4 bags. How much is every bag? Every bag is $3. So my answer will be 4 bags multiply the $3. The cost for each bag equal $12. So my answer here is $12. Let's complete, my lovely girls. Okay, so here, this is also much easier. So easy. I know that all of you will get 100%. Rahmi bought 1 pair of jeans. So this is the first information I know, that Rahmi bought 1 pair of jeans. So 1 pair is with $18. And 2 t-shirts. He bought 2. Each one is 8, so 8 plus 8, 16. How much did Rahmi spend? Write equations to solve. Use a letter to represent. So do you think it's 34 or 23? Let's see. So 1 pair of jeans is 18 plus 2 pairs of what? 2 multiply what? 2 multiply 8. You open bracket and write 2 multiply 8. What is the 8? 8 is the cost of the t-shirt. So it is 16. It's 18 plus 16. Okay, so do it and see what's 18 plus 16, my lovely girls. I will wait for you to do it. Okay, you can pause the video and then answer it. Then you go back, see your answer is right or wrong. Okay, so it is 34. $34. Excellent. Let's complete. 10 people each bring 4 platters. So here I have 10 people, and I have that each of them bring 4 platters. Each of them bring 4 platters, okay, of food to family reunion. The 120 guests all shared the platters equally. So I have how many guests? I have 120 guests. How many guests share one platter? So every platter, how many guests share one platter? First of all, I have 10 people that every 10 people each bring 4 platters. So I need to know how many platters I have. So I will multiply 10 multiply 4. 10 multiply 4 is what you think? 10 multiply 4. 10 multiply 4 is 40. Okay, so the first step is 40. Okay, and how many guests I have? I have 40 platters. How many guests I have? I have 120 guests. So 120 divided 40 is 3. So my answer is, my lovely girls, 120 divided 3 is 40. So the first step I used multiplication. The first step I used multiplication. The second step I used division. I used division. 120 divided 40. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's complete. Okay, here. The missing number in an equation is what? Is factor or unknown? Of course, the number that I don't know is called unknown. Is called unknown. The missing number that I don't know is called unknown. Excellent. It's complete. What fraction of the whole is the colored green? What fraction of the whole is colored green? Let's see. How many in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many colored green? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my fraction is 4 out of 6. 4 out of 6. My lovely girls, 4 out of 6. Let's complete here. Write a fraction to name the equal parts of the pizza. So here I have a pizza. How many equal parts do I have? Let's count. Write a fraction to name the equal parts of the whole pizza. Whole pizza means the all parts, all parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the whole is 8 out of 8. That's meaning of the whole. Let's complete. Jeremy put pepperoni on half of a pizza. He put olives on third of the pizza. What fraction of pizza didn't have pepperoni? So he told me that he put pepperoni on half of the pizza, which means that if this is the pizza, so I have pepperoni only on the half of the pizza. Here only I have pepperoni. So the other half doesn't have pepperoni. So the answer is half. My excellent, yes. The next question is telling me, what does this picture represent? What does this picture represent? My denominator is 2. My numerator is only colored one part, so the answer is half. The answer is what? Half. Excellent. 1 part out of 2 parts. 1 part out of 2 parts equal 1/2. Let's complete. See, so easy. What does each blue strip refer to? I mean the dark blue. The dark blue. Okay. So what does each blue strip refer? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each one is 1 out of 6. If I ask you about the yellow, it's 1 whole. If I ask you about the red, it's half. Third. The green, fourth. The light blue, fifth. What does each of the green strip refer to? Let's count. We did it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 1 out of 10. The colored shape refers to 3 out of 3 or 1 out of 3. That's 3 rows, columns 1, 2, 3, and one only is colored, so 1 out of 3. So my lovely girls, now I finished the revision. I hope you understand everything, and please, I'm on the discussion room. Send me any question. I love you. Good luck. Bye.